Enthusiasm is the electricity of life, a quote by Gordon Park. We are all drawn to people who are enthusiastic. So how can we be enthusiastic so that we can attract people to us? Hi, welcome to Sales Breakthrough with AngelaOh. If you're new to this channel and are keen to find out how to increase your sales, then do subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below, as I'll be sharing with you practical sales tips every week. Successful salespeople are full of energy and carry enthusiasm with them. Enthusiasm in Greek means in spirit. Not only can it be seen, it can also be felt as the energy level is high. It is contagious. In fact, we can also be affected by it. Somehow, the passion will rub on us. Enthusiasm stems from our belief. For us to have this type of enthusiasm, we have to first believe in our product or service that we are offering. The reverse is also true. If we have any doubts that our solution is going to help our prospects, it will be difficult for our prospects to believe us. I've seen both types of salespeople, and you can tell from their sales pitches if they truly believe in what they are selling. I would never forget a salespeople who was so passionate about the Samsung phones he was selling that my daughter actually switched from buying an iPhone to a Samsung phone instead. That is the power of enthusiasm. So if you want to be enthusiastic, the question to ask yourself today would be, do I really believe in my product or service? Your answer will be revealed in how you present your sales pitch. I love to share my proven sales tips and techniques. So if you have anything regarding sales that you'd like to learn, let me know by typing in the comments below. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, as I'll be sharing with you practical sales tips every week. Do remember to turn on your notification bell so that you can always get the latest update.